greater heights. And Lord, where things have not been okay, we say sorry, and we know that people are going to are understanding. We say thank you again. Father, it is not by our merit that we are here in 2026. And before us, for all of us that are here,
ni sima abantu bibande y'amashuma bwo kwita mu bwesije bakanyongera ekisanja cya kabiri nkazo mu parliament 2021 na pasenti ya nshanju na mwenda bwen hatu banyongera ekisanja cya kabiri ahanyuma y'imyaka 5 na pasenti ya nshanju okuzo mu parliament okebembere imyaka 5 okagaruko kabone ekisanja cya kabiri nicho cyite kukiza yo kuguma niyo stage kukiza yo kuguma abantu abinji tebakuruga mu kisanja cyo kubanza bakazo mu cya kabiri konka wareba ekisanja cyo kubanza wakore ibintu babisima abatezi bakaruru na government ekasima ukareba bakongera ekisanja cya kabiri na pasenti ya nshanju ncabakimanyisa ngo okozireje kandi waza kuzo mu kisanje cya kashatu no ryo mu pasenti ya 9 kisanje cya kana no ryo mu pasenti ya 10 kugarra higo.
And I wish you good luck.
I am here because I'm very excited. It's been a long way waiting for this because I really want to stand for it, and I want to stand for it. I'm really very happy and grateful to the Lord that I have managed to emerge the winner with 80.60 something percent as the NRM flag bearer, Manimpi Ibande District. Yeah, I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to the people of Ibande District for trusting me with their vote and a pledge and promise that I will keep what they've given to me, and promise to do whatever I can to work together with the NRM government and for the good of self-service delivery.
Akalulwa kayimezo naka Ibanda municipality ako kayemezwa ahabwe nshonga candidate omwe uri kumanywa nka Rashid Muganda simbo ye ekahinduka akaba kozise megaphone as a symbol atukaza kushobora abaroti hijaho ompira mbwenu kunamara ntukubimanya na communicating na head office headquarters legal department bazo meeting bajangwa karuru kemezwe keje katebekanisuwe nka residue election ezo zikira kubaho akaruru akarigeno kakarigeno mbwenu nimbashaba obuturera kumanya ngo akakashazubwamo naka direct member of parliament konka ka president kagumize mukatero nto emphasizing ngo nakabakaze habwa member wa parliament nako kagumize mu katero okwishaha ezi karagiwe kugira ngo hatagira ecyarabansamu akarura then eze box ezabaziye ezaka direct member of parliament mutazibara mutazikwata ahabo kuba oburu bwabo bwayemezo nubujaga butebekana suba buryate babaro bunakobo obuharwa hatabiho kizubu nkeki ecyabaho hati